Yeah, just stand still.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Damn.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Everybody here that I think. It's just not normal. Tunnel.
I don't think it works.
Sad. If this thing goes to the tunnel,
Yeah.
we're right.
Why are people braking so much?
This is my first cruise on Assetto Corsa.
Thomas, what kind of car are you driving?
The Focus RS.
Oh, still.
With a beautiful 5-cylinder sound.
Yep,
Just
and the
love it.
pops and bangs.
Yeah. Which car are you using?
The M5 with the V10.
Nice.
V10. Alright, are you at the front or
Yep.
all the way back?
I can wait for you, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, you really want to drive behind me.
There you are.
Right, let the other BMW pass me. Or you want to listen to the sound too?
Whoa, we have turned around.
Yeah, wait, I will. Yeah, just stand still.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Hitting the rev limiter.
Yeah, the limiter sounds sick.
Yeah, this second gear.
Just all the way you have understeer. All the way.
Yes, but it's actually handling like a Porsche, really.
The A45 went the wrong way. Dude, he's blind or something.
Yeah. Right, E60.
Watch your mirrors.
That was a joke.
I can't watch my mirror because I'm I'm on the right side of the car. So I only can look at my right mirror. And my middle.
Jasper and Thomas, you sound so like the
Yeah,
same.
we're from the same country.
Yeah,
So we have that
you have the same accent, but you also sound the same. Your what's it called?
like
Voice.
brothers.
Yeah, your voice. It sounds a bit the same.
Yeah, in the Netherlands we almost on voice. So like this, we have almost got the same voice.
Yeah.
That just sucks about our country.
You obviously know how to sub in, right?
Hmm?
You know how to sub in, right?
Autotop NL bedoelt hij.
Oh yeah, I watch that pretty much. So Gustav, you are working on a sound mod?
Well, yeah, Yeah, I just started. I really need to get better.
Yeah, same as me with modding. The problem, but believe me, every day.
Oops. What the fuck?
Just look how my car stands now.
Where did they go?
Oh.
Where did they go?
Yeah. At some point, this map is just dull.
Wait, where did you go?
Where did you go? I'm now, if you're going out of the pits, left, am I. So on the almost big road. With the train station. Gast. Heading Micheluk. Where the fuck is that?
That's the, the tunnel part.
I see you.
Yeah, I'll wait
Coming.
up. I just hear your limiter from here.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, slow down. I wanna do a flyby. Everybody go out of the way.
Wait, turn left, turn left. Here.
Focus RSI is also made for rally. Really? Yes.
And then from
It's possible, I know it. In my country we do a lot of rally. Rear wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, front wheel drive, 1-wheel drive. Because they lost the wheel. Seriously. Almost nobody can catch up in corners with this thing.
Are you guys at Micheluk?
Yeah.
Alright, going to
They're probably like here.
Alright, which way? Oh, I see them. Two-step.
You said the N-word.
Shit. What up, whites?
Hey, you said the W word.
What up? I can just overtake a McLaren in a corner. Seriously, I almost did.
The other guys.
I will be gone in a few minutes because I'm almost out of gas.
Rip.
Mine is orange now. Oh. The M4 CS is really high quality. I'm driving behind him. I'm really impressed.
It's the best ones. I think it's the best.
Guys brake, sharp turn. Guys brake.
They are GT3 RS.
Sorry if I cut someone off in the corner. Look out, we're going back to normal road. So expect a little jump. Just trying to help people. Sharp turn. But it's okay, it's a focus.
Stopping all the time.
Yeah.
Just drive.
Yeah, just keep it.
Oh, no, wrong.
Go on. Oh, yeah, sorry, BMW. They were first, so I need to let them go. Oh no, GT2 RS is back. But now with someone else.
I know, man. Back, I had it right before, but I nearly
Yeah, it was-
crashed and broke a
It's
wheel.
just a joke. I know how you drive, Casey.
I'm just having a problem with it. Like the auto shifts don't work for upshifts, but for downshifts work.
I'm actually stuck behind a BMW in a fart. Taking the inside. I'm overtaking almost everybody. In a focus.
Where's the GT3R?
Damn, the BMW got bright headlights. He's driving backwards. He got some skills, man. Alright, look out, I'm overtaking.
Location?
Almost back at pits. Shall we go back to the pits so that everybody can just respawn for gas?
Sure. And tires.
Yeah, tires is not the main problem for me. But for people with rear wheel drive, I can understand.
Hey, Gustav, where are you?
We're going to
in
pit.
the mountains. Almost at pits.
Mechanic, the other side.
I'm back, Gustav. His focus is just badass.
Gustav,
What?
where please?
Yeah.
Like, just hear the pops and bangs of the jeep.
Guys, look out. Jump here.
Sorry.
Easy down the hill. Alright, we're going to pits, going to pits.
Hear the pops, man. You're here.
Alright, if you want to respawn, you can now and put new tires on it or gas. I'm burning my tires in front of a BMW. Normally he would do it in front of me because he's a BMW.
Suzuki, are you here?
Why did he left? Why?
He's listening to music.
Ah, I understand.
Yeah,
I wanted to, but I want to know where we're going, information.
Yeah, it's a bit more relaxing to just sit down, drive, listen to music.
Yeah,
I get that.
yeah. I wanted to overtake, but then I saw this jump. I think, nah, that's not responsible.
I once drove a full tank on the Civic on a Shujuku Japanese highway and drove it until the gas ran out.
Yeah, mine is yellow, my guess. Wheels been a fucking second gear, like, what the hell? Shall I make this car four-wheel drive?
Nah, it's unrealistic. It's going to be a lot of wheel spin action.
Yeah, and if you do put the traction control on, you have no power.
Yeah.
Just cut off all the power. Brake, guys, sharp corner.
Stop.
I like the Focus because it's so small and just you can drive it just slow and through city.
Yeah.
Vista, next time wait before driving backwards. In real life you need to let the other cars go through. Those still on the roundabout? Oh no.
We should park up at this Opel. I don't know.
Can I get any service, please? I need new tires.
The Merc is gonna drive in there and the GT2
Thank you for waiting, M4.
This is gonna be sick. Why didn't we do this before, huh?
Gustav, what's your opinion on my all black A45? The one that I blacked out.
Well, I get
Sick.
the idea and it's sick, but if you just do the one we have to server on the server, it would
I can.
it would be way more safe because of the quality.